What's going on, everyone? I'm gonna do a quick unboxing video slash weighing and using caliper video of a few of the pieces I have just right here. I usually don't weigh stuff on video anymore, but I figured it'd be kind of cool to weigh it, and I bought a caliper recently so I don't personally care what the size of something is, but I know a lot of people do. You want to know, like, for instance, is my 5mm brush ring actually 5mm? Because it feels smaller than that. So I'm going to do a video showing what all this stuff looks like. And I'm actually going to start off with the stuff I already have. So the brush string, now some of this stuff may lose weight because I've been wearing it for a long time. I wear my ring every day. So it's supposed to be 5mm, 7.4 grams. And I'm not going to move the camera. Well, maybe I will. So it's lost a little weight. So 7.29. Not that big of a deal. Like I said, I assume it's going to lose something. I wear it every day. What I'm really curious about is every 5mm chain I've had, Miami Cuban or Figaro, even though the Figaro was 5.3, has been bigger than 5. And this seems significantly smaller. Not anything, it's not like 3, but so I'll turn these on, zero it, and it's 4.87, so it's just under. Let me zero it again, do a different spot, 4.83, so it's just under. That's not that big of a deal. All right, so that's the brush string. I'm gonna do my son's 2mm Figaro. Every once in a while he'll wear this, and I do need to buy myself another Figaro. When I got my 7mm flat curve, I couldn't bring myself to keep the 5mm, but I may get a 24-inch 4mm or get a 5.5mm. But all right, so this is 2.9 grams on the card, and he hardly ever wears this. He'll wear it whenever I'm wearing mine. So on my scale, it's coming up 2.8. Which again, that's fine. All right, so the caliper. So this is supposed to be 2mm. Turn it on. And I didn't show the ring measurement. It's 1.95 right there, so you can call that 2. We'll go in a different spot. 1.94. We'll pick one more random spot. .91. So it's just under 2mm. At this size, you can't really complain about that. You can't be upset about the fact that it's not exactly 7mm, or 2mm rather. All right, so the next one I'll do will be my 7mm flat curb, which I have right here. So this one is 38.9 grams. Now this one is keeping the weight still. It's exactly what it says it's supposed to be. And then we'll use the caliper, zero it out. .06. Find another spot. 7.09. Find another spot. 7.08. So this one is pretty much exactly what it's supposed to be. And I want to say, in the 7mm flat curb unboxing, I said I was getting a diamond flat ring from Jacoje with some engraving on it, and there was an issue with that. I emailed him in the 6th week because he said that's how long it would take, and asked him for an update, and he actually couldn't find any update for it. He had the order for him, and it was supposed to be made, but from his manufacturer, apparently it hadn't been made yet. So I emailed him back and said, that's fine. I'm not worried about it. I'm going to have very limited availability, and I'm getting ready to move. And he said I could either get a refund, I could get my money back with a discount on the ring, so I could pay for it again with a discount, and they would get it done ASAP, like within a week. Which I thought about doing that, but I decided, setting diamonds and engraving, I don't want it rushed. Plus, again, with my availability, so I decided just to get a refund. And no hard feelings. I wasn't upset about it. Well, I was a little upset, but it is what it is. And he said that he would hook me up, and he did something for me, which I really appreciate. I'm not gonna say what it is, but I really appreciate what he did. So anytime I shop with Jacoje, I'm gonna be able to do something. And I really appreciated that. But I emailed him and asked him for a Mother's Day box this year, and they aren't doing them, but they got the ones from last year. So I have this pink box for my wife. I got her, she has a 1mm plain diamond cut Franco, or a plain white gold Franco, with a pin that her dad gave her. So I got her for Mother's Day, a pendant with our kid's birth month. His birthday is April 30th, so yesterday. I got her a rose gold birthstone pendant. So I got her a rose gold Franco to go with it, and I got 1.2mm. So I'm really curious what this looks like. I'm excited about this. I've heard that the 1.2mm Franco is significantly bigger. For 0.2mm, I've heard it's significantly bigger than the 1. And the 1mm came in exactly at 1mm. There it is. And the first thing I'm going to say, it is significantly bigger. Her Franco is 18 inches. This is 20 inches or 22 inches. So this is going to fall quite a bit lower because she's not going to wear this every day, I don't think. And I'm not a huge rose gold fan or white gold fan, but I got to say that this is beautiful. This is very different in size and color and design than the plain Franco. Plain Franco is a little more four-sided and boxy. This is definitely more round. It's very smooth in the hand. Feels really nice. You have the really nice lobster clasp, the Italian style teardrop clasp. Now I'll do a close-up of this with a better camera or a better quality. But we're gonna also do the caliper and scale for this. So it's a diamond cut Franco, 1.2mm, 22 inches, 5.3 grams, which I don't know what it says online, but I think that's about right. 14 karat rose gold packed by Raquel. If y'all been following the Raquel and Braden videos, they're hilarious. She cracks me up. All right, let's go turn the scale on. 5.36. So it's closer to 5.4, so that's good. And I can't say enough that it's small. It's 1.2mm, but it is significantly bigger than the 1mm plain Franco. This loses some because it's diamond cut. All right, zero it out. 1.39. So it's almost 1.5mm. Find another spot. 1.37. We'll find one more spot. 1.35. So, I mean, so out of all of these, the 7mm Figaro was right on, and the Franco was bigger. I guess the 2mm Franco or Figaro is pretty much right on too. And then the ring is just under. But they're what I would say within the realm of acceptable. I would put this on, but it's going to be very small on me. But I just cannot get over how nice this is. And I can't wait for the pendant to get here. I did not get that through Jacoje. I actually got it through Zales because they had the exact thing I was looking for. Yeah. So I'm going to turn the camera around real quick and I'll do some close-up shots of this.